Hello and welcome to another video in the Repair Pricer REsolv tutorial series. This video will cover how to share, view, and edit your reports. This video also assumes that you have your REsolv login info. If this is not the case, reach out to our customer support team by clicking the link at the top or by emailing support@repairpricer.com. The first step to view, share, and edit a report is log in to REsolv. This will take you to your dashboard page where you'll have your pending orders on top if you have any and completed orders on the bottom. Find the completed report with the address that you wish to view, share, or edit and click the View Report button to the right. This is now the report editing screen. Here you can make modifications, change the price, and do other various things such as view the report and share the report. To view the report, just click the Download PDF button. It will take you to a new tab, which now has the PDF version of the document which you were looking at in this page. You'll note that the whole home estimate on the front of the report matches the estimate at the top of your editing screen. Additionally, you'll notice that the repair line items have been readjusted to match the type of work that will be performed and the type of contractor that will perform the work. So if you see under the carpenter/handyman section, there are about 16 line items. And if you go back to your editing page, you see the carpenter/handyman bubble. Click that bubble to expand all the line items and you can see all 16 items and make adjustments to the pricing or just exclude them from the report themselves. The only thing that cannot be changed in these reports are anything that was written inside the inspection report itself. That cannot be changed. Let's say that a client is more interested in only seeing the HVAC and the roofing. You can go through and uncheck each box that does not pertain to the information the client wants. And after you've gone through the process, as the number goes down as well, you can now click View the PDF. And this will show you the new whole home estimate on the front, which matches again the one at the top of your edit screen. And you'll also notice that any of the items that you unselected are no longer in the report. Once you've got the report in the state that you'd like it to be shared in, you can click Share Report. From here, you can either send it as just a PDF, or if perhaps you have an agent or a contractor who has different pricing ideas or wants to make some changes to present to the buyer, you can add them as a recipient as well and enable the Edit button. This gives them access to the same screen that you have to make changes. And this covers how to view, edit, and share reports in REsolv.